Hello, welcome back to my channel, Align Training. Today I have another correction video that's going to help you maximize your single leg glute bridge. Now, I teach this exercise a lot in my group classes and I see the mistake that people do. I am constantly correcting the alignment of this exercise in specific. That's why I wanted to put this video out there so you can get the most out of your single leg glute bridge. Now, if you haven't checked out my pelvic floor series, make sure to check it out. And if you have been doing your pelvic floor exercises, make sure to throw this exercise into your routine. Now, let's get started. We're going to come to lay down on the mat, and I'm going to go over corrections and cues, and I'm going to highlight what I see being done incorrectly all the time in class. So, come to lay down. And you're going to place your feet on the ground a little bit more forward than your knee level, okay? So your feet are not back here, okay? This is the big mistake that I would say is to start off with. Like, people always do this. They bring the foot so in that then they have to arch the back too much to lift. So don't do that. Walk the feet a little bit more forward, right? Get them away from your glutes, okay? And then bring your feet towards each other. Bring your knees towards each other, closing up the gap of the inner thighs. Now, what this is doing is that it's bringing your legs into proper alignment. This is very important. If you don't do this, there's a high chance that your knee will knock to the side as you're doing your glute bridges. And you don't want that. You want to drive in a nice, straight, aligned leg bone that's going to help you press and engage into your glute much more, okay? It only happens when the leg bone or the femur is nice and aligned into the socket of the hip. So we'll start there. Feet a little forward, thighs close together, big toes together, a little separation of the heels away from each other. And honestly, I always throw this in there. You flex the foot, right? Now, the reason I do this is because it drives even more into my posterior chain, hamstring, and glute. I haven't even lifted up into a single leg glute bridge yet. I am on both, but you already feel the hamstrings a lot. So if you're doing this at home, make sure to just test it out like this, feet in flexion, and you lower down. Now let's try something else. Walk the feet a little bit more forward, away from you even more. Flex the feet, test it out. Drive the heels, lift the glute up off the ground. Now, mind you continuously have the inner thigh squeezing towards each other, okay? All right, and then you release and you lower down. Now, I would say this is the base to the single leg glute bridge right here. So, hands can come on the ground. You're going to press up, squeezing the thighs, flexing the feet, staying on the heel, and then you're going to lift the opposite leg up. Now, a lot of people will do this. No, bend the knee, give it a good degree over the hip, drive that heel that you have on the floor into the ground and press up. Now, don't let the knees collide away from each other. You're gonna drive the thighs towards each other, okay? Once you have that locked in, you can lower, press through the heel and come up, which is going to avoid you pressing through your lower back. Okay, now that is very important also. Okay, and that's how you drive it. The thighs will be squeezing towards each other, all right? The knees are not collapsing to the outside. Do a few repetitions, feel it out. You're gonna feel your hamstring so much. A lot of people may not like the pressure into the heel, so you can drop the foot. Let's test it out with the foot on the ground. Doesn't mean the foot comes in. Press the toes, press the heel, lift up. Driving the whole foot into the ground, okay? Remember, the femurs are nice and tight in. They don't fall out to the side. Inner thigh is softly squeezing towards the center. And then release. Oof, you feel that? No weights or anything. Place the other foot down. Let's test it out. Knees together, thighs together, big toes together, heels apart a little bit. Flexion. You're on the heels. I'm gonna do heels because I like the intensity in the hamstring. Hands can come in the ground. Lift up into a regular glute bridge. Lift the knee up. Right? Thighs are squeezing, they're not falling to the outside. Lower and lift, driving that heel. Remember, you can use the foot flat or you can put the foot flat on the ground but you wanna press the toes and you wanna press through the heel, all right? You don't wanna thrust your back. This is such a difference. Squeezing the inner thighs, practicing for a few repetitions. This video is just a correction video. You're gonna go ahead and do your own sets and rounds with or without weights, whatever calls for you, all right? So as you can see, thighs together, heel into the ground, press up through the heel. Let's do a couple with the foot flat on the ground, toes into the ground, heel into the ground, lifting up. Got it? Thighs squeezing, and then you can release. All right, just a little demo with the weights. You grab your weights, the thighs together, toes together, heels apart. If you wanna add them, lift, lift, and then you go for the reps. Oof, you feel it so much in the hamstrings and glutes. All right, thighs are close together. Lower, other side, thighs close together. I'm using my foot flat for this one. And then you release. All right, the tension and the pressure is coming from the foot and the heel. And you're not lifting with your lower back. You're lifting with your hamstrings and your glutes. The thighs must be squeezing towards each other, okay? So give it a shot. Throw weights, you know, if you wanna increase, you know, that tension and really put on some good muscle mass into your hamstring and your glute, or do without if you're just getting started. Go ahead, let me know what you think. Leave a comment, make sure you like, subscribe, check out the other videos, and I will see you for the next correction. Thank you for joining.